In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew Facebook Marketplace listings. If your items have slipped out of view, renewing gives them a fresh boost so more buyers can see them without recreating your posts from scratch. Start by opening the Facebook app on your device. Make sure you're signed into the account you use for selling. If you manage more than one profile, just confirm the correct profile picture is showing so you're in the right place for your listings. A stable internet connection helps here so everything loads quickly. Next, tap the Marketplace icon on the bottom toolbar. It looks like a small storefront and takes you straight to the buying and selling hub. Once Marketplace opens, tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen to access your selling dashboard. This is where your listings, messages, and tools are grouped together. Under the selling section, tap on Quick Actions. This is a handy shortcuts area that pulls together common seller tasks, so you don't have to dig through menus. Look for the Renew option and tap on it. Renewing doesn't create a duplicate, it simply refreshes your existing listing's visibility so it can surface higher in searches and feeds again. You'll now see a list of your expired or expiring listings. If a listing isn't here, it likely means it's still active or not eligible for renewal yet. From this list, select the listings you want to renew. You'll see a check mark when an item is selected, and you can tap again to deselect if you change your mind. If you want to bring everything back at once, tap Select All. When you're ready, tap the Renew button at the bottom of the screen. On some versions of the app, this may read Renew Listings, but the action is the same. Give it a moment to process.